Ever wonder how the Amish keep their homes spotless, without bleach, sprays, or fancy gadgets? Step inside a world where cleaning is done with just vinegar, elbow grease, and wisdom passed down through generations. No plastic bottles, no noise, just old-fashioned, time-tested methods that work better than anything in the cleaning aisle. And guess what? These secrets don't just clean your house. They calm your soul too. Stick around, cause today on Rustic Pantry, we're diving deep into the untouched world of Amish cleaning secrets. And trust me, you've never seen clean like this. 1. A life unplugged, turning away from the chemical parade. They rise before dawn, lantern glow flickering across wooden floors that have felt generations of footsteps. The air carries the faint aroma of yesterday's hearth fire mixed with cool morning dew. No buzzing appliances, no neon bright bottles lined along a plastic shelf. Just a quiet resolve. Keep things simple, keep things pure. The Amish never warmed up to industrial cleaners, and honestly, they never had to. Harsh surfactants? Nah, they call them strangers, loud outsiders barging in uninvited. Instead, families rely on wisdom packed tight inside memory. Grandmother whispers, use what the earth gives. Then she shows how vinegar, drawn from last fall's apple cider, cuts grease better than anything store-bought. They do it slow, methodical. No rush. It feels almost like prayer. Dishes clink, water splashes, and somewhere outside a rooster shouts. Brief silence. Then another scrub. Clean. Done. 2. Vinegar's quiet magic. 1 jug, 1,000 jobs. Picture this. Big mason jar filled with cloudy white vinegar, resting on pine countertop. That's it. That's the hero. They mix a splash with warm well water. Wipe counters till they sparkle like morning frost. Windows? Same potion, swirled fast in a tin bucket. Newspaper used as cloth. Quick swish. Streaks vanish. Bam! Fresh glare of sunrise floods in. If a stubborn stain laugh back, they soak rag with straight vinegar, press. Wait an hour, chat around kitchen table while bread rises. When they return, stains lost its bravado and leaves quietly. Funny thing, vinegar smells sharp for a moment, then disappears, taking grime right along. City folks spend dollars chasing lemon rainforest scents. Amish nod, smile gentle. They're good with clean that smells like nothing. Simpler, cheaper, works. 3. Baking soda, the silent scrubber from the pantry shelf. Little cloth bag of bicarbonate sits near flour bin, both white, both trusty. Need a scour iron skillet? Sprinkle. Grease pops, fizz sings after a drop of vinegar hits. Kids watch, eyes wide. A tiny kitchen volcano cleaning the drain. Rugs starting to hold barnyard odor. Light dusting of baking soda, let rest. Grandma says, give it time, child. An hour later they sweep and the smell, kinda rude before, just packs up and leaves. Stovetop? Same trick. Gentle but tough, like farmhands on Sunday. And because the powder costs pennies, there's no worry about using too much. Generosity encouraged. In Amish homes, silence and frugality intertwine. Baking soda respects both, scrubbing without shouting, saving without boasting. 4. From Lion Lard, soap born in the backyard. Soap making day feels like a storybook chapter. Fire crackles under black kettle, rain barrel water warms. Live beads slip in a melted pig fat, slow swirl of wooden paddle. Dangerous? A bit. Reverence required. Children stand back, learning patience. Hours pass. Thick mixture turns trace, poured into greased molds. 2 weeks curing on an open shelf. Bars harden, edges soften. Smell? Earthy, faint, honest. No synthetic perfumes tagging along. When laundry day dawns, these bars are grated into flakes, dissolved in boiling water, poured over clothes inside galvanized tub. Rub, rinse, repeat. Hands rough and yes, but hearts feel steady. Soap travels further. Floorboards, dishes, even Sunday boots get wiped with a soapy rag. Each bar carries a memory of rendering day, and somehow that warmth lingers long after suds rinse away. 5. Breathe. Simply breathe. Fresh air over fake fragrance. Curtains swing wide. Outside, wind hustles through maples, slips into bedrooms, sweeps stale night air out the back door. That's air freshening, Amish style. No plastic plug-ins humming lavender lies. Just breeze. Sometimes a pot simmers on stove. Orange peels, cinnamon, star anise, swirling like tiny ships at sea. Steam drifts, inviting without bossing your nose. Linen closets hide muslin sachets stuffed with dried mint and sage. Subtle, almost shy, but when you reach for a quilt on a cold evening, those herbs whisper summer secrets. They don't mask odors. They remove them or wait them out. Big difference. Short burst of scent then fade. House feels alive, not sprayed. 6. Sweeping stories. Manual tools slinging dust to the door. The broom leans in corner, bristles stiff straw bound by wire twisted tight last autumn. Handle smooth from years of grip. Every sweep tells tales. Toddler's crumbs, harvest husks tracked in, sawdust from dad's workshop. No roaring vacuum here. Electricity, still a maybe someday, not today. They sweep morning, noon, sometimes night, if horses trudge mud through hallway. Floorboards creak, broom whispers. Mop follows. A wooden pole with cotton rags knotted at end, dumped in soap bucket, wrung by hand. Shoulders ache yet muscles grow strong. Dust cloths are retired shirts given second life. Nothing wasted. Even cleaning tools have lineage, passed down until splinters retire them to kindling. Work is constant, but strangely not exhausting. Rhythm sets in. Mind wanders. Problems shrink under steady brush strokes. Peace. 7. Sun therapy. Hanging laundry like prayers in the wind. Monday morning. Gray tub steaming. Clothes churned with that home-cured soap. After rinse, baskets lugged outside. Lines stretch between locust posts. Cotton ropes sag under weight. Shirts flap. Sheets billow. Socks dance awkward jigs. Sun stands judge, bleaching whites, warming colors. Ultraviolet rays, silent, deadly to germs, do the sanitizing. No dryer buzz, no tangled wad, just patience. Afternoon, everything smells crisp like cloud edges. They press face into pillowcase, inhale sky. Some days, rugs and blankets join the party, hung over rail fences to let light kill hidden spores. Even mattresses may lean against porch railings, absorbing solar medicine. Science agrees. Amish grin, they knew first. 8. All hands on deck, cleaning is community code. Saturday sunlight slants across yard. Breakfast plates cleared, then work begins and nobody sneaks off. Tiny toddler gathers clothespins, proud grin. Teen sons fetch water buckets, muscles flexing. Mother scrubs floors. Father dismantles stovepipe for soot scraping. Grandfather oils wooden chair joints, humming hymns under breath. It's a symphony of clinks, scrapes, laughter. Short breaks for lemonade. Stories swap. By noon the place gleams and hearts feel connected. Cleaning here isn't punishment. It's belonging, proof that each inhabitant matters. Outsiders might label it chore. Insider call it fellowship. When last rag is wrung, family steps back, scans tidy rooms, nod. Satisfaction settles over them like dusk. 9. Herbal alchemy, potions from the garden gate. Behind the barn, herb beds sprawl. Thyme, rosemary, lemon balm crashing into each other like cousins at reunion. Amish women snip stems, drop in an earthen jar, drown in vinegar, cap tight for fortnight. Resulting tonic? Powerful. Wipe down cutting boards, disinfect chicken coop roosts, even dab on little cuts. Another jug combines water, peppermint oil, and a whisper of garlic. Gnats flee instantly, horses relax. Furniture polish born from beeswax melted with olive oil, rubbed warm into oak dresser. Grain pops, color deepens. Recipes scribbled on yellowing pages, corners torn, spots of lime marking history. They tweak quantities by feel, not metric scale. Sometimes mixture too strong, wood looks dull. Next batch lighter. Learning never ends. 10. Cleanliness as covenant. Faith written in soap and water. For the Amish, neatness transcends sanity. It echoes eternity. They believe order outside nurtures order inside. A cluttered room invites restless soul. So each evening they tuck chairs under table, rinse basin, smooth quilt edges. Small gestures, but huge meaning. They're telling God, thanks for today, and telling children, respect what you're given. Mistakes happen, mud drips, life spills. They don't panic. They wipe. They forgive. Floors shine, not to impress visitors, but to honor blessings. Maybe a stray thread dangles from dish towel. That's fine. Imperfection reminds them only heaven perfect. Still, they chase tidy spaces with zeal because discipline brings freedom. End of day, kerosene lamp glows on polished wood, room hushed. Outside, crickets chirp. Inside, hearts calm. Home breathes easy, ready for sunrise to start story again. And that's the quiet power of the Amish way. No chemicals, no clutter, just nature, patience, and a whole lot of heart. So maybe, just maybe, we don't need all that modern stuff after all. Maybe less really is more. If you found peace in these old world practices, give this video a like, subscribe to Rustic Pantry, and tap the bell so you never miss another journey in a simpler living. Until next time, stay grounded, stay grateful, and keep things clean the old-fashioned way.